Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get likes option on WhatsApp business status. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp may introduce a new feature allowing users to like statuses in a similar way to how user can to do Instagram stories. User can like status updates by pressing a heart emoji at the bottom left of the screen when the update is being viewed. It is also possible to see who has liked the status using the views list, allowing a convenient way to connect with people without any chatting or conversation. So how to do it if you want to get the likes option on your WhatsApp status? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to make sure that our WhatsApp business is on the latest version, on the newest version. You can check your WhatsApp app update on your App Store or Play Store. If there is an option to update your apps, WhatsApp business app, you can just update. After that, you can just open your WhatsApp business and you can see on your friend status if there's a likes option like this on the bottom right of your screen, so you can give like on their status. It's so simple, right? So that is how to get likes option on WhatsApp business status. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.